Good morning, students. Welcome to Science video class. So far, I completed 3 chapters: fiber to fabric, components of food, and living organism characteristics and habitat. I hope you all are safe in your home. Don't go anywhere outside. Stay safely inside your home. See all the videos, whatever we are sending daily. I hope you attended online test well. Keep learning, keep yourself healthy. Today we are going to learn Science Chapter 11, Light, Shadow and Reflection. Three small topics: light, shadow, reflection, we are going to learn. Okay, children? Today we are going to learn only about light. It's interval time at school. You and your friend going down to restroom. Suddenly, a bright light hits you in the eye. You and your friend move to different place. This time, the bright light hits your friend. The bright light seems to following you. You are confused. You look around and you see another boy Sham standing at distance with mirror in his hand. You know that Sham was responsible for this mischief. How he managed? If you are not sure, in this lesson we will discuss light, shadow and reflection in detail. Objectives of this lesson: at the end of the topic light, you will able to define light, define luminous objects, and you will be learning about difference between transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Okay, what is meant by light? It's night. Okay, and you step inside the house. There is darkness all around. Everything appears black. You can't see anything. Your father switch on the light. Now you can see everything clearly. It means light enables viewing. Therefore, light is defined as form of energy which makes things visible. What happens when you are watching television in your room and the electricity goes off? You are unable to see anything around you. You ask for a torch or a candle. On lightning a torch or a candle, you can see objects in the room. Right? What do you understand by this? This is something that is light. With the help of light, we are able to see objects around you. So, to view anything, we need a source of light. Can you give some examples of sources of light? Yes, sunlight, bulb, tube light, burning candle or torch. You are getting late for school. You are not able to find your socks. You search for them in the cupboard. As the cupboard is dark, you switch the tube light on. Once you locate the socks, you switch the light off because there is sufficient daylight. Here we talked about two types of light: the light from the tube light and daylight, which is the light from the sun. While sunlight is natural light, this light from the tube light are artificial. Understood the difference between natural and artificial? Yes. So, sun and stars are natural sources of light, whereas bulb, tube light, torch, candle are artificial sources of light. Objects which have light of their own are called luminous objects. Example: sun and tube light are luminous object. Sun is the natural luminous objects. Tube lights are artificial or man-made luminous objects. Luminous objects or sources of light. Can you see the chair, table, book, etc. around you when there is no sunlight? You cannot see. These objects are in darkness, but these objects can be seen in the presence of source of light. When the light falls on the objects, these objects can be seen. Understood, children? All non-luminous objects such as table, chair, book are visible due to the reflection of light falling on them. Moon reflects the light of the sun. It's a non-luminous object. Understood? Objects are classified as transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. Objects that allow light to pass through them are called transparent objects. Most the light falling upon the transparent object passes through it through the other side. Example, glass, clear air, pure water, etc. are examples of transparent objects. Objects that do not allow any light to pass through them are called opaque objects. As a result, we cannot see through them. When light falls on the opaque object, its shadow is formed on the other side of it. Wood, sheets of metal, book, wall, plastics, rocks are examples of opaque objects. Objects that are partially transparent and partially opaque are called translucent objects. They allow light to pass through them only partially. Examples for translucent objects are butter paper, muddy water, smoked glass. You and your brother just returned from school. Your mother gave both of you lemonade. Your brother takes straw out from the lemonade and tries to look at you through the straw. After a while, the thin straw bends. Now, your brother tries to look at you through it. He is unsuccessful. He can't see you, okay, through the straw. Why? What this activity shows? This activity proves something. Yes, that the light travels along a straight line. So, if the straw is straight, then that brother can see his younger brother. Otherwise, if there is any bend in the straw, then he cannot see. This shows that the light travels along a straight line. Understood, children? Now, I have completed one subtopic, light. Now, I am going to give homework for you. Listen, go through this image, see this image, categorize the objects based on transparency. I have given some objects name: chalk, book, eraser, school bag, tissue paper, glass tumbler, water, polythene sheet, air, CD, wall, cardboard sheet. Okay, you need to make 3 columns: transparent, translucent and opaque. Okay, go through this object and select. You need to categorize these objects and you should find and write whether it is transparent, translucent or opaque. Okay, now categorize the above given objects and write in your homework note. Understood, children? Now take 180 pages note, ruled note for science classwork. Take fresh new page. Write the lesson number in the center. Okay, on the first line. Below that, write the heading of the lesson: light, shadow and reflection. Use black stick pen to write lesson number and heading. Now in the next line, write the given topics. I have given some topics, right? Light, luminous objects, non-luminous objects, transparent, translucent, opaque. Find answer for this. You need to define everything, okay, with example. Read the book and find answer for this and write in your classwork note neatly. Okay. For example, if you are writing about light, write in 1 or 2 lines. Light is the source of energy which makes things visible. Example, sunlight, torch, candle. Okay, leave 1 line after that. Then write luminous objects as heading. Use black stick pen to write heading, subheadings. Okay, then write about luminous objects in 2 line and then write its examples. While writing example, you can use black stick pen. Then write the next heading, non-luminous objects. Write about non-luminous objects with example. Then write about transparent. Leave 1 line and then write about transparent. And then leave 1 line, write about translucent. And then leave 1 line and write about opaque. Understood? 6 topics I have given. Light, luminous objects, non-luminous objects, transparent, translucent, opaque. You should write in your classwork note. Understood, children? Both homework and classwork I have given. So don't forget to write it. Write very neatly. Your classwork note should be very neat. Cover your notebook. Okay, write your name, everything. Once school reopens, I will correct and give it to you. Okay, children? So far in this video, we discussed about light. In the next video, I'll teach about shadow and reflection. Okay, children? Drink lot of water. Stay safely in your home. Wash your hands often. Don't eat any junk food and outside food. Help your parents. Okay? Be safe. Okay? Don't go outside anywhere. Obey your parents and help your parents. Eagerly waiting to see you. Bye.